The Indian Coast Guard has rescued all 24 crew members from the Liberia-flagged container vessel. Gujarat ATS has arrested a health worker from Kachh district for sharing classified information related to the Indian Navy and Border Security Force with a Pakistani agent. After the failure of Chinese HQ-9 and HQ-16 air defense systems, Pakistan Air Force is now exploring the acquisition of Turkey's 100 km range Siper 1 and 150 km range Siper 2 defense systems. The Indian government is planning to allocate another $9 billion additional budget for military weapons and systems procurement this year. Hyderabad-based Raghu Machine Tools is developing a 500 km range cutting-edge kamikaze drone that will feature a hybrid propulsion system combining indigenous jet engine and electric propulsion technologies. Solar Industries has manufactured limited pre-production units of the 120 km range Pinaka Mark III, and the DRDO and Indian Army are all set to start developmental user trials. The DRDO is developing a new cannon-launched ATGM for 105mm gun of the Zorawar light tank. Mahindra has unveiled its 4x4 armored personnel carrier based on the Ford F-Series heavy-duty chassis, which is known for its strength and capacity. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has announced plans to increase its shipbuilding capacity from 24 vessels to 28 vessels by the end of 2025. Russia has deployed a new Mach 6 Plus air-to-air hypersonic missile that is capable of carrying a nuclear warhead and has a range of over 300 kilometers. Hindustan Aeronautics will invest around 15,000 crore rupees over the next 5 years for expanding its manufacturing capacity and setting up repair and overhaul facilities. While talks were underway with Russia, Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited is now looking to develop a new generation light tank with the help of Western defense players, and it is leaning towards Western designs that emphasize command control and communications, intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance integration. Bangalore-based Alpha Design Technologies Limited has successfully delivered the first of 6 Surya very high-frequency anti-stealth radar system to the Indian Air Force, which is a state-of-the-art mobile radar system designed to counter stealth aircraft and other low-observable aerial threats. India and Russia have launched negotiations for manufacturing the Mach 8-capable Brahmos hypersonic missile, and Russia has extended full technical support for jointly producing the missile at the newly inaugurated Brahmos facility in Lucknow. India's Bay Limited has won a $17.5 million contract from Israel to supply Universal rocket launcher with a range capability of up to 300 kilometers. The rockets will be of Israeli origin, and Bay Limited will supply the Universal launcher. The upgraded 2-ton gallium nitride-based AESA radar developed for the Tejas Mark II fighter jet has officially entered production, and the DRDO has confirmed that deliveries of the radar will be completed before the rollout of the Tejas Mark II prototype in October 2025. Boeing has offered its C-7A Wedge-tail airborne early warning and control aircraft to the Indian Air Force. However, the Indian Air Force remains committed to its upcoming 6 Netra Mark 1A and Netra Mark 2 AWACS programs, despite their projected deployment timeline of 4 to 5 years. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.